This is our landing page. This is where a user would arrive first. Moving on, we'll log in. So a new user would first register. This is a 4-step process. In step 1, you have to just add an email ID. Now a random password. And there is an authentication check if the password is hard. After that, username. Then if you provide, these things are not compulsory, but if you provide them, then it is good, that as our model would provide a much better recommendation for you. So this is where you can upload your resume. That will be parsed for our model. After that, we'll create an account. So back to login, that is, a new account was created. So now we'll log in to an old account which I had created earlier, so that I can show you the whole project much easily. I pressed enter after login. So this is an old account that I had created, and yeah, as you can see, this is our dashboard. This is how you create a new goal. So for example, I will just give another backend development tool. I'll give an old prompt that I had created so that this video is not too long. See. So as you can see, backend development 2 was created. So this quiz was started. Start development. Start the quiz. Now after this quiz is completed, quiz results will be shown along with the time required. So moving on, I'll just update the learning goals. So based on the quiz, the learning goals will be updated and shown to the user. So now for backend development, learning goals were created based on the preliminary quiz. So for the modules too, the quiz can be taken. So this is the timeline that was created based on the quiz. These are some of the practice activities which the user can do. Okay, so moving on, we'll see the user profile. This is the user profile. Nothing much. This is the quiz history. Now for chatbot, you can ask anything to the chatbot. And yeah, it will reply, as you can see. After that, for course recommendation, we just completed the backend development. So let's check out the course recommendation. So these are some of the course recommendations that I got based on the preliminary quiz that we gave. And yeah, you can edit profile. So yeah, that was our project. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Tanmay Shingi, representing Team Neural Lab. In today's digital world, whenever we want to learn a new skill, the first thing we do is Google search some courses and articles. But instead of a clear learning path, we are bombarded with an overwhelming number of courses, videos and tutorials, leaving us confused about where to start and what is actually important. Wouldn't it be great if there was an AI-powered system that understood our current skills, our learning style, and our career goals, and then create a personalized learning path just for us? Introducing Pathfinder, an adaptive AI learning system that takes guesswork out of upskilling by automating course recommendation and personalized assessment, introduction approach, the tech stack we have used, our system architecture, the database design, the security measures we have implemented to securely store user data, the challenges we face, business model we plan to implement, the conclusion and the resource link, which contains links to our GitHub, our user flow diagram, etc. It all starts when a user registers on a website. They are prompted to enter their LinkedIn, GitHub, and LeadCore profiles. Our custom AI agent scraps through their profiles and creates a personalized knowledge graph. After that, the user is prompted to enter their goals. These goals can be anything from a skill a user wants to learn to an job role the user is aiming for. Our smart goal analysis system goes through this goal and analyzes it. It ensures that it is realistic and achievable. After we receive information about your goals and your skills, you are prompted to give a preliminary test that helps us to assess your skill level and your proficiency. Based on this test scores, our custom AI agent generates your first learning module. Each learning module consists of topics plus courses on those topics, practice resources, and tests that the user has to give for completion of a module. But unlike static recommendation system, Pathfinder is adaptive. Based on the test that you give and your test scores, our AI dynamically updates your learning path, ensuring that the next course recommendation is perfectly aligned with your progress. But Pathfinder isn't just about course recommendation, it learns from your behavior. We have a custom reinforcement learning algorithm that tracks your engagement, how much time you spend on lessons, how well you perform on tests, and even whether you drop out of a course. If a recommendation helps you improve, then AI reinforces it. But if you struggle with a topic or lose interest, it adjusts the recommendation to better fit your learning style and pace. And to make learning even more human-centric, we have also included reinforcement learning human feedback, allowing users to rate recommendation and fine-tune their learning history. The users are prompted to answer questions like, was this course helpful? How much will you rate it out of 5 stars? Which skills you learned from this course, etc. To ensure real progress tracking, we have also developed a Chrome extension that monitors your learning activity across different platforms, capturing insights like time spent, quizzes attempted, and course completion rates. This data feeds back into your system, making Pathfinder smarter over time, continuously improving your personalized learning journey. With Pathfinder, you don't just get a random list of courses. You get a smart, structured, and adaptive learning journey tailored to your goals, strength, and progress. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or someone switching careers, Pathfinder is here to make learning efficient, personalized, and rewarding. Thank you for your time. We are Team Neural Knights, and Pathfinder is our vision for the future.